Halo, another time for our DIY photoshoot. Ayan ang ating balloon. At syempre, ang ating ginagamit na props, ang aking wedding veil. So, ito ang ginamit namin nung wedding ko, 2019. So, until now, ginagamit namin siya for photoshoots ng aming mga babies. Tapos, ayan, foil balloon. 11 tayo ngayon. 11 months si baby. So, ito yung set na lagi kong binibili. Ino-order ko lang po online. So, let's do it! Ang mahirap sa monthly pictorial, yung chichampohan namin ang mood ni baby plus ni Ate Martha. Dalawa sila. So, minsan yung isa okay, yung isa bad mood. Especially si Martha, si ate namin. Kasi, 3 years old siya. So, sobrang minsan moody, minsan okay. At ito na nga yung wall na lagi namin ginagamit dito sa bahay. Ito yung corner lang na yon dahil ito lang yung may designs. Biglang may lumapit na bata, batuting.
There. Mackenzie, you're 11 months old now.
Kiss mommy! Kiss mommy! Kiss mommy!
Oh, so sweet.
Come Martha, sit with Kaylin na. Okay, you bring it with Kaylin there. Ayan. Ayaw magpa-picture. Kaylin is here!
Eat. Ba.
Ayan ang ating space na ginagamit.
Ba.
Oh, let's go ate, sit na.
Balaga. Ba. Eat. Balaga. Eat. Balaga.
Na, sit down na Martha.
Just sit down again. I'll buy you more food.
So later we can check if we can go to the mall. And then,
For Ate too?
Yes.
You're gonna buy this for Ate too?
Yes, and for you too.
And no, I already have this, the berry.
yeah, you have it na.
Okay, sit
We'll
down.
buy other book na lang.
And Daddy gonna buy.
Yes,
Ate,
so you need to take a
one
picture
too.
first.
Oh,
I buy
yeah,
you
yeah.
one, I buy Ate one, I buy Kaylin one. So take a picture
No, she
first.
can't read.
Hey, it's okay.
So,
Balaga.
ayan ang ating DIY, di ba?
Ba.
Di ba? Mukhang madali pag picture na, pero pag actual, daming ganap.
11.
Kaylin is 11 months.
11.
Ah. Ayan, gusto na rin niyang magliwaliw. Ala, ang shoes na hubad na rin. Ha?
Sit down na lang. Huwag mo na pabuhat.
Peekaboo! Pika! Tayo mo muna, tapos abot mo kay Kriya pa, buhat. Pika? Alis mo na, alis mo muna. Ayan, ayan, oh. Eh, yung isang may toyo. Ah, Pika! Pika! Ayan na, sige, abot mo na. Martha! Bulaga! Get Kaylin! Ay, nako. Walking. Okay.
Wow, do this.
Smile! Sumabay pa nga pagkasira ng aming ilaw kaya medyo yellowish tayo today. Pero ayan, nakaraos din.